Welcome to 2025, a year that's not just about resolutions but about revolutions. Revolutions in mindset, execution, and the way we approach success as entrepreneurs. As we step into this new chapter, ask yourself, are you operating with the speed and precision that the future demands? Because let me tell you, the business that thrive this year won't just be the ones with the best ideas. They will be the ones that act on those ideas faster than anyone else. 2025 is a year where technology is moving at a lightning speed. Opportunities are abundant than ever, and competition is fiercer than we have ever seen. But here is the kicker. The game changer isn't just about what you know, it's about how quickly can you act on what you know. Think about it. Every second you spend deliberating is a second as your competitors are using to outpace you. And in this new economy, speed isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Let's talk about why speed matters more than ever. In the past decade, we have seen industries rise and fall overnight. Companies like Blockbuster and Kodak didn't lose because they weren't innovative, they lost because they were slow. Meanwhile, startups with nothing but an idea and a laptop became billion-dollar unicorns by moving fast and iterating faster. So, what does this mean for you as an entrepreneur in 2025? It means that every decision you make, every action you take needs to happen with a sense of urgency, because if you don't, someone else will. In today's video, we are diving into what I call the end of the week mentality and why you need to ditch it immediately. I will break down how the world's top 1% entrepreneurs are compressing timelines, making decisions, and executing like their business depends on it, because it does. This isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter and faster. We will explore actionable strategies you can implement right now to level up your execution game and dominate your niche in 2025. By the end of this video, you will have a roadmap for creating speed-driven success in your business. We are talking about going from I will do it next week to it's done by the end of the day. If you are ready to take care of your business to new heights, buckle up. It's time to hit the ground running. Let's make 2025 the year you stop waiting and start winning. Now let's dive into the mindset and strategies that will set you apart in the next 12 months. Good morning, everyone. I hope you are having a fantastic day. Today, I want to talk about something that's been on my mind for a while, but today felt like the right day to share. I'm calling this end of week mentality. What I mean is this: one of the key traits I see in the top 1% of entrepreneurs, not the top 10%, but the top 1%, is the speed which they execute after making a decision. Definition we talk about in our community is that power lies in the gap between thoughts and reality. If you think of an omnipotent being, as soon as they think something, it becomes real. The closer we get to the closer we can get to that level of speed, the more powerful we become as entrepreneurs. Speed isn't just associated with success, it creates success. The gap between deciding something is good idea and executing it to the loop where you improve your business. It's like the saying, it's not about how old the car, but how many miles are on it. Similarly, business that iterate faster, grow faster. The military uses the OODA loop: observe, orient, decide, and act. The faster you go through this loop, the more responsive you are to opportunities, failures, and adjustments. One of my biggest pet peeves is hearing I will get to it by the end of week. Why not get it done in an hour if that's all it takes? By speeding up deadlines to end of day, you are literally 7xing the pace of your organization. As the owner, you set the tone. If someone asks, can we start this next week? Respond with, why not start now? Speed isn't about doing everything fast, it's about focusing on what matters. Most people aren't prioritizing, they are procrastinating. When you foster this urgency in yourself and your team, you will see incredible results. Start asking, what are you doing in the next 2 hours that's more important than this? If nothing, get it done now. I've noticed this trait among high level entrepreneurs. For example, I've recommended books to friends generating $1 to $2 million annually. They read them immediately, took notes, and shared their plans with me. Less experienced entrepreneurs often take weeks or months to act. Joey, one of our students, executed every system in our Go High Level program within 8 weeks. It's not that he has more hours in the day, his execution is simply more efficient. He doesn't allow distractions or procrastination to slow him down. If you can foster this urgency in yourself and your team, you will achieve exponential growth. Think about your competitors. Those who observe, act, and iterate faster than you will always stay ahead. Within your business, look at how long it takes to identify problems and execute solutions. For example, how long does it take to notice high churn and act on it? How quickly can you prioritize and act on what truly matters? Ask yourself, what am I doing today that's more important than this? Focus on taking tasks immediately and you will see progress today, not next week or next month. In Go High Level, speed is king. As an entrepreneur, you must set the tone by applying pressure, prioritizing effectively, and pushing your team to execute without delay. Shift from end of the week to end of the day or even end of the next 2 hours. This can dramatically increase how quickly your business solves problems and overcomes bottlenecks. Growth comes from a series of small, fast pivots, not one big. Have an amazing day and a fantastic Tuesday. For my Go High Level students, I will see you on the call later today. Tag, like, comment, all that jazz. Lots of love and keep being awesome.